Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. This is part of a logo. We have erased the rest of the logo, so you can't. He didn't want it used, and I understand. But he wanted to know how he could draw that pretty precisely, and you could almost trace it, but I really had to look at it over a little while, and I took a polygon and set my polygon on three-sided. And I made a polygon, a triangle, but I elongated it. Now, the way I like to do it is to flip it the other way. And then go to object and convert it to a curve. And when you do that, you have a node in the middle. You can actually get rid of these two nodes. And if you start moving this node down, you can go either way, but if you hold down the control button, you can only go so far, and I'm just kind of watching the other side, and that's pretty close. Now, Control D to make a duplicate, and all it is a mirrored image of that, and then weld it. And then smart fill it with whatever color you want. And it's pretty close. I mean, I'm a little bit off on the size, but I mean, he can size the logo back into with the wordage. I think that's whoever drew it like that. I mean, it's got some really sharp points and it's got a V. Either that or they took a V and did kind of what I did. And anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.